Do you know that you can actually feature two different videos on your YouTube channel? One for new visitors and another for subscribers. This is going to be important as people often land on your channel to find out more about you. It's possible that they did a search, they found one of your videos, then they click on over to your channel to check out more about you. And this is where we're at now. So let me show you my channel as if I were a returning subscriber. So I have subscribed. I'm going to click through. And right on top here, I have a featured video. This is kind of like a channel trailer, right? Like a preview for a movie. Now, if I was a first-time visitor, I would see a different video. Now, here's how I choose the videos. I'm going to put something on there for a new visitor that is going to be really going to grab their attention. Like, why is it important that you visit this channel? What is this channel about? Now, you can make a video. This is an example of mine. I am featuring the 12 ways I make money. Now, why am I doing that? Because people that are first visiting my website, they are generally looking for marketing tips. Anything from real estate marketing to Facebook, YouTube, Google Ads, search engine optimization. They're looking for affiliate marketing opportunities. So I have a video here.
Talk about the 12 ways that I make money.
Okay, so that's what's showing up there. And let me show you how you can change these. So right up here, I'm going to go to Customize Channel. This is where you can customize everything from your channel art to your playlist. So this home page right here, you have a lot of control over what this looks like, and it is important for getting people to be interested in your channel and potentially become subscribers and followers of your brand. So here, right up top, there's a little pencil. You can see two tabs for returning subscribers, for new visitors. Okay, so for returning subscribers, I can now edit this. And what I do is I rotate mine around. So click on these little three dots to delete. Click on the little arrow there, okay? Or we can choose a different video. So we're going to go to edit. You might want to put something that's very popular there. You might want to have something that is trending or something you want to start getting people to follow. Okay, so I'm going to put how to add affiliate products to WordPress, and I'm going to go ahead and change that one. And I could put a heading on there. Save. Okay, so you can see there with what I just typed, and there's the video there. Click done. And for new visitors, same thing. You can click edit right there, change the trailer or remove the trailer. So that is all you need to know about how to add those two, the channel trailer and the returning subscriber video, to your YouTube channel. My name is Lori Ballen. I earn 6 figures as an affiliate marketer, and I have several other businesses ranging from real estate to keto weight loss coaching to shampoo. I'm a teacher and trainer of all things marketing. Subscribe to this channel and be alerted every time I add a new video. Check me out at loriballen.com or my digital marketing company at ballenbrands.com.